Hello, you guys. So our lesson is about what do animals need? Let's see the notes about it. So, what do animals need to survive? When we say survive, we mean that these animals need to stay alive. And without those things that animals need, they will not be able to survive, or they will not be able to stay alive, and they will die. So, animals need 4 things to live and grow. Without those things, they would not be able to survive. This means that without them, they will die and they will not stay alive. Can you guess what they are? You are right. For you to have a pet, let's say like this dog, you need 4 things, which are food, water, shelter, and oxygen. So let's start. In order to have a pet like that dog, you need to take care of it and give it the 4 things that it needs to live and grow. First thing is food. You see, animals need food to grow bigger, but some animals like this deer, they eat only plants. Other animals that eat only plants like the zebra, the cow, the sheep, the rabbit, the giraffe. Okay, now other animals like the lion, they eat only meat, and these animals cannot eat plants at all. For example, other than the lion, we have the tiger, the cheetah, the eagle, the shark, the alligator, snakes. Okay, now other animals, they don't have any problem. They are so cool. They eat anything that they find, whether it was coming from animals like this fish. The bear can eat fish, and also it can eat berries if fish are not available. Other examples like the chimpanzee. Sometimes the chimpanzee can eat bugs or insects, and other times when it finds fruits like bananas, they can eat bananas too. The second thing that animals need is water, because water is very important for animals to live. And all animals need water, whether they eat plants or animals or both. All of them, wherever they live, whether they live on land or they fly or they live in the water, all of them need water to stay alive. The third thing is oxygen. You know, animals need oxygen that they breathe in to stay alive or to survive. Whether they live on land, they get oxygen from the air that they breathe in through their lungs, or if they live in the water, they will get oxygen from the water through their gills, like fish. The fourth thing that animals need is shelter. It needs a safe place, which is their shelter, to stay alive. And this shelter, they need it because they need to stay safe from other animals, the dangerous animals that may come to harm them. They also need the shelter to keep their babies or the young animals inside. And they need this shelter to stay safe from the cold weather, from the hot weather, from the rain and the wind and the storms and stuff like that. So, can you think of some different kinds of animal shelters? For example, the dog's shelter is called the kennel. The horse's shelter is called the stable. The bee's shelter is called the beehive. And the bird's shelter is called the nest. And the fish's shelter is called the aquarium. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.